wanted to share this short video with you of some of the Christmas baubles I've been making with patterns from YouTube. I believe this one is from Joanne or Annie's Crochet. You can use all kinds of colors. I like using the metallic yarn. I used Jumbo Super Saver in Red Heart Gold, Red Heart Super Saver Metallic Red, with Love by Red Heart in light gray. It's a metallic yarn as well, and a value from Ollie's store, Yarn Inspirations Karen Simply Soften, that's Dark Sage in a green. I purchased some balls from Walmart. I saw that you can order them in bulk on Amazon, even though Walmart's was cheaper individually. I've been having a good time. This is how I stitched it up. I just put the two halves together and stitched back and forth. You can stitch it together in your own way. I don't know, it may be called whip stitching. It kind of looks like a softball. I think it's cool. You see the sparkle from the metallic. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Have a Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching.